So the reason why I'm going over this is because it really kind of speaks to the two types of budgets that we're going to talk about, right? If I looked at my budget for these two meetings, the one last year in St. Paul and the one this year and it coming up this year in Atlanta, right? If I looked at them, I would say that I need to incrementally adjust, right, each budget, or really the budget this year based off of last year, but I need to think about the fact that I'm in this first tier city now, right? And so incrementally, I need to change that budget. Okay, so what we're talking about is an incremental budget, okay, which analyzes projected and actual figures from past events. So what did I spend on a gallon of coffee last year? Well, I spent $65. I know I'm going to spend around 105 plus this year in Atlanta. I need to change the budget incrementally based on that, right? Now we may spend a little less in airfare. Why? Well, Atlanta is a hub city, right? So lots of flights all day long. We can choose cheaper flights, right? And so maybe I'm going to adjust flight costs back a little bit, right? So that's what we mean by an incremental budget. Now, the only time that we use a zero-based budget is when we haven't ever done the meeting before. So we have no financial history. So as an example, only once in my career have I ever done a brand new meeting. And that was in 2011. Actually, it was for the meeting that's happening in Atlanta. Done that meeting ever since. And so I had no financial history, but I come to the situation with experience. So I was able to build a budget for that meeting based on estimates of potential income and likely expenses.